How small apartment investors can estimate replacement and reproduction costs for a property. Estimate replacement cost based on current construction costs. Determine cost per square foot by researching the current construction cost per square foot for similar multifamily properties in the area, considering factors like property class and materials. Use local construction cost databases or consult with contractors for accurate estimates. Calculate gross replacement cost by multiplying the construction cost per square foot by the property's square footage. This gives a base estimate for constructing a similar functioning building. Apply depreciation adjustments by considering factors such as physical deterioration, which is wear and tear from age and use that reduces value. Also, functional obsolescence, which refers to outdated features or layouts that may reduce appeal. And finally, external obsolescence, which includes external factors like location changes or neighborhood decline that could reduce desirability. Estimate reproduction cost for unique or historic properties. Identify unique features. Note specific architectural elements, materials, and craftsmanship that define the building's original design. Calculate gross reproduction cost. Research the cost of replicating each unique feature with modern or custom-built materials. Multiply these costs by the building's specifications to arrive at a base reproduction cost. Apply depreciation and obsolescence. Adjust for depreciation and any obsolete features or materials. For example, older plumbing or electrical systems would require modern replacements for functionality, impacting the reproduction cost estimate. Combine estimates with market and income approaches for context. Compare the cost approach with other valuation methods. Use the cost approach in combination with market or income approaches to get a well-rounded view of the property's value. The cost approach may yield a higher value than other methods for unique properties but is often aligned with income potential for standard multifamily buildings. Assess applicability of reproduction versus replacement. For standard multifamily properties, replacement cost is usually more relevant. Reproduction cost is more applicable for architecturally significant or historic properties where preservation is prioritized. Additional tips for using the cost approach. Work with contractors for accurate estimates. Partnering with local contractors or architects provides accurate replacement and reproduction cost estimates, especially for complex or historic properties. Regularly update cost data. Construction costs fluctuate with material and labor rates, so periodically update cost data for an accurate replacement estimate. Use depreciation calculators. Many property valuation tools offer depreciation calculators, helping to standardize adjustments based on property age and condition. Summary. The cost approach, including the replacement cost and reproduction cost methods, offers small apartment investors valuable insights into a property's value based on construction costs. Replacement cost estimates the cost of building a similar functioning structure, while reproduction cost focuses on replicating an exact duplicate. By combining the cost approach with depreciation adjustments and other valuation methods, investors can achieve a comprehensive view of a property's worth. The cost approach is especially useful when valuing unique properties or in markets where comparable sales data is limited.